I'm gonna eat it. Yeah.
Ay, kain ka na na.
And it tastes pretty good. Yeah.
Tingnan mo.
Sino pang may gustong rice? Okay na. Okay na.
Sounds good noodles.
Dami assignment nito. Dami gagawin assignment nito. What are you doing? Put it on in front na. Put it there na. There's no more food naman eh.